we're having some pedagogical theories about the application of a fretted, plucked instrument to learning finger shapes for violin, viola, maybe cello, but cello we'll talk about another time. With violin, viola, this, by the way, is a tenor, or maybe it's a concert ukulele, tuned like a viola, with about the same string length as a viola. And the theory is about the application of using a fretted instrument like this to learn chord shapes. Now, I think it's important that the instrument be about the same string length as the instrument you're trying to apply it to, in this case viola. The theory goes, and I've talked to some people and they disagree, but when learning chord shapes and playing chordally, playing in tune within a chord on a violin or viola, you have to learn the shapes and the intonation at the same time. Now, if you can play piano and you have a piano around, you can kind of use that to help you with the intonation, but a lot of fiddlers don't play piano at all. And something like this, which has frets, which takes away the intonation aspect of learning these things largely. It's mostly the case. Once you learn how to pluck this and strum it efficiently, such that you can play your repertoire, this allows you to learn just where your fingers need to go without having to learn at the same time the incredibly precise way you have to place your fingers on a fretless fingerboard. Now, you still have to learn how to do this in tune on your fiddle, but I think this would facilitate a faster learning for less experienced players, or any level of experience, as you're learning how to play just the notes. So for instance, the Bach Minuet in the second cello suite is quite tricky. It has a lot of tricky chord shapes. If I can play it. And so on. Let's see, there's another passage here. This chord gave me a lot of trouble, but I was able to learn it a lot faster on here.